Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the Defense Language Aptitude Battery, or DLAB for short. Whether you're considering a career in linguistics or cryptologic language roles in the military, this test is a crucial step in the process. So let's break down what the DLAB is, what you can expect, and how to prepare. The DLAB is a unique test designed to measure your ability to learn new languages. But here's the thing, you don't need to know a second language already. It's all about your aptitude. How well you can learn the structure and rules of a new language. Think of it as testing your language instincts and problem-solving skills. The military uses this test to see if candidates are suitable for linguist positions or cryptologic jobs that require rapid language learning. Why is the DLAB important? Well, it helps the military find individuals who have a natural ability to pick up new languages quickly. This is essential in roles like military linguistics or intelligence analysis, where mastering a foreign language can be a key part of the job. So if you're aiming for a linguistics role in the military, the DLAB is your gateway test. When it comes to scoring, different branches of the military have their own minimum passing scores. Typically, the required score ranges between 95 and 110, depending on the specific job or branch. A higher score generally means more opportunities in specialized linguistic roles. Now let's talk format. The DLAB is a 2-hour multiple-choice test with a total of 126 questions. These questions are split between two key sections, audio and visual. In the audio section, you'll hear sentences in a made-up language and need to identify patterns and grammar rules. The visual section involves matching symbols or words to unfamiliar grammar rules. The DLAB is challenging because it tests several key language learning skills. Here's what they're looking for: phonetic recognition, grammatical rules, and memory and problem-solving related to language structure. You'll need to identify sounds, apply grammatical rules to unknown languages, and use problem-solving to navigate complex patterns. It's a mental workout, but it's designed to see how well you can adapt to a new language system. So to summarize, the DLAB is designed to assess your ability to learn languages, and it's broken down into both audio and visual sections. Scoring well on the test opens doors to some amazing linguistic career opportunities in the military. If you're serious about taking the DLAB, stay tuned for the rest of this series, where we'll go over the test sections in detail, share study tips, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates.